Hi, this is Kalia from Crafting on the Fly, and today I'm going to show you how I made this dress with a free sewing pattern. And what I used was this oleander dress from Mod Fabrics, and I used this beautiful fabric and combined it with this one. I figured if I just do the top with the nice gnomes and then the plaid for the bottom. And I got actually the gnome fabric from the Dollar Tree store, so I just used two pieces of that. And then I made that top from that oleander dress. And for the inside, I also used a checkered one. And then you just sew it all together right here so that you have a nice edge. And that's basically like the hardest part is figuring out how to do this inside out one so that you have the right fabric together. So always use the right side on the inside and then the wrong sides on the outside so that when you turn it around, you have the wrong ones on the inside and the good ones on the outside. So it's just going all along the edge there. And also don't forget to put the halters inside, and then you can just turn it around and you have a nice finished edge. And of course, this edge you just have to iron it so that it's nice and crisp. And then that's the top part. And for the back, I actually sheared the back so that it can adjust just with the sizing, and it's easier this way and you don't have to do a zip or anything. And for this, I actually sheared it a little bit more spaced out. All you need is some rubber band for the back stitch and then a regular yarn from the top. So I just followed the pattern of this checkered or plaid and just moved it over to the next spot, pulled it out, and then the rubber band in the back will just cinch it in. And here it is, the entire back, and I attached this back part to the bottom fabric, to the skirt part, just on the one side first. And there's that put together. And now I just had to put this all together. That was the most difficult part. I also added that front part so that I really have the skirt all around and just the stretchy back part that had to be put together so that the edges can be sewn together. So that's what I did right here. I also put that in inside because then if you turn it inside out, it's going to be on the outside. So again, just the good sides on the inside and the wrong sides on the outside because of then sewing it along there and doing the same on the other side, just stretching it over and sewing it also together like that on the other side. And then you just have to turn everything inside out and then you have a nice finished edge right there. And then all that's left is just attaching the front and then also the straps. So this is the only part that has more of an unfinished edge there, but it's going to be on the inside. And I'm using my serger for that so that I do have a finished edge and it's just cutting off the excess right there. And here's the finished one.